While we're talking about drone cameras and the camera quality, it's worth mentioning the FPV or first person view aspect that a lot of these camera drones, from very cheap to very expensive, advertise. You see, most consumer grade drones use a Wi-Fi connection
Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi
to stream the video feed directly to your smartphone to help you line up your shots and get good footage, which is great. But this is just not going to work well for FPV flying, where you're looking through, seeing what the drone sees in order to maneuver your drone around. The primary reason this is not going to work well for FPV is because of the tendency for the Wi-Fi connection to be interrupted.
So it actually froze up. So that's not ideal. So now we can't actually see what we're recording.
Especially if you're flying around houses that are also blasting out Wi-Fi feeds, it's very easy for that to interfere with your drone. In addition to being interrupted easily, these Wi-Fi connections could also have lag or latency. And that's going to be a big problem because you're going to have possibly several seconds between what's actually happening to the drone, and then it gets transmitted from the drone's camera to you on the ground, and then so you think like, oh, okay, well, I'm getting kind of close to that tree because that's what you're seeing, but then the drone is actually like already, about to hit the tree, and then you can't react fast enough because the image that you're getting is a little bit late, and then you just lost yourself a drone.
What it should say is die fi.
And nobody wants that. And this is just generally, this is not all the time, but generally, just keep your eyes on the skies, on the drone in the skies. And the other reason is, again, the video quality. It may be impossible to see small things like branches or wires until it's too late. Bottom line, a real-time Wi-Fi video feed is fantastic for setting up shots, and it may be even the main selling point. Don't count on it for maneuvering your drone. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.